Hey, do you work for a company that does not have a 401k plan and you're wondering why others have a 401k plan but not you? And are business owners required to have a 401k plan? And if not, why not? Stay tuned. I'll tell you what that's all about. Let's assume you just joined a new company and they have a 401k plan. Great. I have another video that talks about how to get started, aggressive, moderate, conservative. So watch that other video as well. That's your company setting up a 401k plan. You're walking into it and great. Let's assume you come from a company and they don't have a 401k plan. You're like, what's up with this? There's no 401k plan. There's no health benefits. Well, it might be a little smaller of a company. They're struggling as much as other small companies and they just can't afford a 401k plan. Now, if they can, that would be great. However, just know that it's not required. There is no law that requires a company to set up a 401k plan. In fact, for the company owners, the employers, they actually have to pay extra to set up that 401k plan. There's cost involved, administrative costs to handle that 401k plan and set it up. The owners have to pay this on an annual basis. And some of those costs involve per employee plus an actual fixed cost. Now, some companies have been sued, mutual fund companies and so forth, because of excessive fees. So if you think you have a 401k company right now that's charging excessive fees, bring it up to your employer, talk to a fiduciary financial advisor who can do an analysis to see if the 401k plan is charging too much in fees or are there other alternatives. So if your company does not have a 401k plan and you'd like to see one, there are some new, because of the technology and the advancements of the internet and web-based technology, the cost of setting up a 401k plan has dropped dramatically. There are still companies out there that charge an arm and a leg because they can get away with it. But if you're tech savvy and you reach out to good advisors, there are strategies that can actually reduce the cost of setting up a plan to as low as about $10 per employee per month. So that is awesome. And if you think you'd like to set one up at your company, talk to your HR person, reach out to a fiduciary financial advisor, not a broker, not a mutual fund company, because they've been notorious for charging excessive fees when it comes to setting up a 401k plan. There are great strategies for reducing those costs dramatically and getting some really great investments in there. So again, the bottom line is your company required to set up a 401k plan? No. Are there costs involved in a 401k plan to the owner? Yes. Are there going to be costs to you as the employee? Yes, but it's more on the amount that you invest in. So you really want to make sure that those investment costs are low. And then the next thing is how to set that up. That's not too difficult, but you can find a good advisor who can get that set up at a very low cost, taking advantage of today's technologies and today's scales of economies and setting up some really good choices. The type of 401k plan all depends on you as employees. You have the power to talk to your HR or your owner and say, hey, I want to set up a 401k plan. I want some good investments and I want low fees. Let's do this together. Let's do some research and we can find a good 401k plan that we can institute here at our company so that I and my coworkers can start saving for our future. So if you have any questions, comment on this video and like and subscribe. Also, you can reach out to me with any questions. Take care and bye-bye.
If you like today's video, ask Alvin for a free 401k investment analysis to see if you can do better and reduce fees. Visit strategicchoices.com.